Are you tired of wasting hours doing repetitive tasks? In this video, I'll show you 3 free AI tools that will save you time and boost your productivity in 2025. Let's get started. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT by OpenAI is your personal assistant. You can ask it to write emails, generate ideas, or even explain complex tech in simple words. It's available online, and Therese even a mobile app now. Number 2. Gamma. App need to make beautiful presentations fast? Gamma uses AI to turn your notes into slides automatically. It's perfect for students, professionals, or content creators. Number 3. Tome. App Tome helps you create visual stories, business pitches, or personal resumes in minutes. Just give it a topic, and it builds a sleek slideshow using AI. And the best part? All these tools are free to start with. Which tool will you try first? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech4 Lifehacks for more AI and tech tips every week. Thanks for watching.